It is another week and a weekend that we had of football, and we are anticipating yet a fresh, exciting CAF Confederations Cup as well as the Champions League. This is the WSB show that is on Junior Kanye TV. I am Nonhlanhla Sitshele, and on my left, it is Junior Kanye. On my right, it's Michael Nkambule. We are going to be talking about the CAF Confederations Cup as well as the CAF Champions League. We've got two teams that we are closely watching. It's not that they are the only ones from South Africa playing, but we want to see how far they can go because their games are coming up this weekend. Michael, how are you?
Ngikrendwe
Thabo unjani? Ngishapho na? I know, sibonge. So gents, the CAF Confederations Cup is coming this weekend as well as the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns is playing as well as Kaizer Chiefs, where you both were players for. And we've seen an early exit, a Nedbank Cup from Kaizer Chiefs. You predicted it. Wathi iskog by 2-1. And that's exactly what happened. You said it was going to be a difficult game, and you gave it to Amakosi. How do you feel about them losing that?
When I'm disappointed coach Chiefs. I think kuze kule game nayo undermine Stellenbosch or kanjani. This guy has been winning ama games kahle, and then uyeza ku game Stellenbosch uza nga 5 defenders angazi ukuthi usabani Stellenbosch ngoba Stellenbosch siphansi kunaye, but usibonisile ukuthi uyasaba. Angazi lama coach udlenta ithatha ukuthi webhayi modlala ne team like ubona ukuthi team ungayidla bese moceda ufuna ukudlala ngayo. Chiefs is a big team ukuthi ngadlala against Stellenbosch udlala nga 3 center back which is 5 defenders. I think lapho uyithole wrong lontuza yakhe I lineup yakhe, but we could see ukuthi Chiefs dominate kanjani game even if azange bakhona ukuthi bakora ama chance. Yeah, but noma bongasho noma kunini futhi bengayinikeza Kaizer Chiefs. But it was a bit late of his baluzi the game. Congratulations to Stellenbosch with bangene go next round.
You predicted it spot on, even the score. Yeah. What do you make of that game?
That's number the league at the same club. You're saying that when this is your flavor.
Yeah.
Ngoba see sometimes yakhuluma abantu takhuluma wena ngisho ukuthi kunjalo. Yeah, and clicks. Going to the game, I watch how they play. The way you are playing now determine your future. Babukelile badlala. Kaizer Chiefs studying in lineup abayikho consistent. Yeah, badlala in lineup one. Lineup change week in and week out. And I don't understand yini. That's why ngita coach bona laba uchida laba. Cousin Yusuf Ben. I'm talking about co-coaches. I don't think they are really coaches. I think technical team is very involved because of Chief technical like you go starting level. Ngoba as I show Michael Udiye being expected to that has been scoring goals for them. Good game on the bench. Mabuye, a very key player, experienced player as well. I think we figured out about something in the way. Doing well for Kaizer Chiefs and bigger bench in now. When you start with Serino, match fitness. I love Serino, but the match fitness, we have my injuries. Psychological, I don't think is okay. Serino fit as well. I'm not too sure with Usafon Ubada, Serino, and he's under pressure because he expects a miracle from him since coming from Sundowns. We talk about South African fans, and obviously we expect a lot from Serino. So, Stellenbosch have signed key players. Basani Mabasa, unfortunately to be let go by Orlando Pirates. Unfortunately, they've signed. There's key players about signing the Stellenbosch, and those players not just adding numbers there. I think they were key to Kaizer Chiefs, and also bringing the coach Kevin Hunt. They were winning a corner. I'm talking about all the years. Super Scott, Marty Feds. They got the way Chiefs is la corner. He planned. Planning Kevin. I think in them career into that he was winning trophies in the planning. I don't think it's a coach tactical in terms of I think he so approaching games who can beat you in terms of play, open play. Viction a set piece, bombing a counter attack. You will play against certain players for you. I think they know a coach. So Kaizer Chiefs, that's how they play. They're not playing beautiful. If I can be honest, by dominated. it better like a Stellenbosch that they played, if I can be honest to you, because we're going to combination play, decision making, I think they were let it down. But at the end of the day, Stellenbosch to a chance now. I could say she's got the chances, but Stellenbosch to a chance. So Stellenbosch first half dominated the game for me. If I can be honest with you, dominated the Japa. They dominated the game. Lampanantiane in the midfield. I think they're strong 3 midfielders on the La Parati. Kazuchi is in the midfield. I think Wula Bebaleka Kona also. At the back, I'm not too sure what they were trying. We're going to 5, but you consider 2 goals the first half. I don't understand how. Slalin Kalame goalkeeping department. Nyazu Peter Sin, Magakuma conceding other one need. People don't share this on. But the question is, was he really tested magadlala namagame lawa amawani bawina le goal leli ngiyazi umshayile ngayile mfana lo dlala ibingi uTetas we Stellenbosch, but position yakhe I think was low. I was wrong, and now we are returning on. I think ube slow kakhulu ngiyazi umshayile but ufalo umuntu for ukuthi goalkeeper, if your eyes was on the ball and inyawo zakho quick you understand and move bongalwina neposition yakhe right lela bhola bozosave noma ungalibambi ngezandla bongalimuvela ngaphandle. Another stuff nali way ba consider ngakhona ngikhuluma nge-first goal, if not I think it was a penalty. I can't remember, but yes, I think i-defense yabo nje ukudlala nga-5 at the back. Joe Michael, she's a big team crumbling nga-5 ilento ezo Stuart Bucks ku-AFCON. You can't all of the sudden now
Hugo Bros.
I mean to say Hugo Bros, you've been winning games abachita bajwayela, the confidence grows noma ngabandlali kahle, and then you come and bring 5 defenders udlala nga 3 in the mhlambe 3 in the middle mhlamba front 2 ulimit attack yakho. So Kaizer Chiefs up front they were relying on certain players beyangana attacker, if I can be honest, not numbers more. It's ibe kanjalo ngapha you want to bring ama crosses, didn't work for them. So Kevin Hunt I think got it right. Second half ukhamikile naye because I think I'm a player too exhausted. First half they gave it all. Yeah, we gave it all. And a different Stellenbosch in fact. Well done to Kevin Hunt. I think it is a full game to go all the way.
Okay. The reason why we started with that particular one is that Kaizer Chiefs could have gone onto the CAF Confederations game with a defeated mind, but they actually came back strong and they are promising in the Group D stages that they're in right now. They're currently sitting on number 1 in the log, and they are playing against Zamalek this coming weekend. And then with them playing against Zamalek this weekend after winning in Limpopo, was that a convincing win? Did that look like they were shaiwe the past game? And did they come back mentally strong, mentally better, and actually fighting to go somewhere in this Confederations Cup?
Yeah, wona Nhlanhla into engayisho ngeChiefs manje Nhlanhla kule season there singamane sisho ukuthi bona okay they are not playing good football, but so far they are getting ama results, which what important on Nhlanhla, because if you can check them basuka kule Confed bebo number 1 until waze naye kule weekend ba two big group.
Yeah.
So akusabantu esingabajaja they've been doing very well from league ba number 3 league Nhlanhla ba winner, even if noma ba winner not convincing, but they are getting ama points, they're getting ama results. So I think for bona man engqondweni yabo manje banase spirit sokuthi okay noma singawini singaluza but sizoqhubeka sifight. I think manje into eba keep ta momentum ukuthi ba fight manje. It's not a matter ukuthi manje udlale good football, because nenye into kumele uyazi ne season mase so difficult Nhlanhla. Ayifani in the first round where we thola ukuthi open.
Yeah.
Ngoba manje umuntu masekadlala seka account ukuthi in the next 3 games ngifuna 7 point. You understand? So it becomes more and more difficult, but bona bakwazi ukuthi still ba grind ama results. So I think less you mele bayithathe as a positive note baqhubeke. They've got a chance Nhlanhla ukuthi baqhubeke futhi.
And I think in 2020-2021 season they were runners up in the Confederations Cup. So do you think they can go back to that state in terms of how they're going? Because manje sengathi like bayajela, they mentally fighting, and regardless of environments ebazithola badlalela kuyo, whether it's here, whether it's away, they're still putting on the same fight.
Nhlanhla into important first thing ama player thing nabo manje ba realizile ukuthi la Chiefs le ucuki mana la Chiefs phela nalo ngokwalo Nhlanhla liyasina, and the more ungawini udemona sestratini kuhambe kanzima, you understand. So I think nenye into engiyisho last enhlanhla ukuthi South African teams sibone sekulate ukuthi Champions League, how important is the Champions League, but for me the competition compared to other African league, IPSL is the best league. Sebangamane basho nhlanhla bathi abo Egypt bayineka ingaki. It's just South Africa, they never take Champions League very serious. Because sikhuluma ngeChiefs about the struggling Chiefs is topping the group who confirmed, but they are saying the team is struggling. You understand? So for me standard say football, that's why ngisho ngithi bafana na kule AFCON ledlulile mina bengizibona sidlala final, because mangichecka i-standard se-football yethu enhlanhla man simprove kakhulu. No, chance it was a matter ukuthi sibe serious in the Champions League, because if ungacheck i-Chiefs ne-Pirates, we played the Champions League but bekungafani namanje. If you can check bebadliwa sithi it's fine in but manje it counts. Team ayiphumile ku-Champions League uyayifila leyo pain ukuthi ngiluzile ku-Champions League, you understand. So I think Amakhosi will go all out. Mina lama team lawa ngaphandle man ngiwasabi kangaka nhlanhla.
Awasabi kangaka?
Ngiwasabi kangaka nya.
Nezamalek.
Abozamalek abobani ngiyezwa bathi if imagine manje sikhuluma ngeChiefs manje, iChiefs esese-cripple. Imagine if you can find a strong Chiefs assign in quality players. Ngabe sikhuluma ngeChiefs edlala ku-Champions League manje. You understand nhlanhla. So for me ngibabona bazoya all out mina, even if noma bathini as long bazofighta so abazochubeka nhlanhla, because football is all about the confidence. The more you win you gain confidence, even udla nabantu aba strong ngoba bona beza bakunyatsa ngisho wona uyazi ukuthi kumele usebenze. So izobashayela lokho iChiefs abantu abaningi bana lento ukuthi ifile yabo
bana
izobashaya bona nhlanhla.
Okay. And okay, so Junior, the coaching department has always been an issue on your part, right? Ukuthi like it looks like there's more things ezenzakalayo than the coaching itself, but what do you have to say with regards to them manje, like performing as good as they are, sitting on top of the group in the CAF Confederations Cup? What does that say to you?
Yeah.
Is this the Chiefs that deserves to be there, or Amatutu chances?
A compliment for this season in terms of the effort, the hard working. Bring certain players yabo ngisho mabuye mfethu played a major role yabo. Ngizomcompliment Brandon Peterson uphamitisa his experienced player. Noma ngabe ngithi goalkeeping department kusho that they need to get the goalkeeper. Ungizwe kahle angithi amelanga bamthola goalkeeper, but mele ngimnike i credit ukuthi he's been doing well. Uye kule season uye washo ukuthi mhlambe nangani I can't be benched okanye babhizi baswipe abangazi ukuthi bafake bani. Mele ngisaminte indawo yami. Compliment with that. Ukuthi asaminte indawo ngikhuluma uKaizer Chiefs also keeping this clean sheet. Compliment team effort yonke. Compliment to the coaches as well. Kunento show Michael. If I concede, even if you play bad, who is with the 21 chance and score, bury the game. I think in Tabayenza aba concede abadlali kahle, not wonderful, better the standing point job ngisho. I'm not too sure because of the way chasing game better, but aba concede akukho lulu ukuthi ba concede the standing point that they were considered. Njoba ngasho ngathi mina ngoba ngatholi team njoba the way badlala ngakhona izobabamba 2-3, and then kulaba zobona khona ukuthi I don't think they were really tested. Ngiyaba compliment ama coach in terms of the effort, obvious to ukukhuthaza ama-player, give players confidence and not to concede in khuluma as a team each and every game bayidlalayo. And also obvious winning games bashayela izandla is never happen ama-season 2-3. Going back Michael and I show standard of football in South Africa, not with standard of football PSL has improved. It's Pirates, Sundowns. I'll say Sundowns, Pirates now they're on top because of the type of players that they brought. Marketing Orlando Pirates. That's why Balabakona 1 and 2. But set the standards. Nobody even. I see people, yes, they put the Chiefs commits. We can only hope. But if we can be honest, pound to pound, you hardly say Pirates each and every game they lose. They will lose. But that's why I sold out each and every game most to Pirates because of the brand of football they play. And Sundowns, they are not at their best. But they went to Limpopo, that beat Orlando Pirates 3-0 away. They come up with a point. LJ lost as well there. and in Pompo TR6 easy. But same Sundowns players. That is why in English, Pirates, if Sundowns, they still keep a core of quality players. It's a coaching something about a problem, coaching department. So those two teams must set the standard in South African football. Now everybody has to catch up. So each and every one Magadlanich in the Sundowns and Pirates to raise the game. And that's why my game will see the standard of football. But to tell to me some of the teams, except those two teams, I'm not count it too much. So I can be honest to you, it's me again. EPSL there's a lot need to be done. She's made a complete with the tournament. They need to win trophy. It's unfortunate the chief defending champions win it, but they lost.
Yeah.
And Sundowns, number one, always they want to compete. But that's a corner Nedbank as well. We'll never know in Nedbank who's going to win. And those two teams, Yobang is your standard of football. But other team they need to follow. There's a lot that need to be done. If for someone about Devon City, Bakoshama coaching at 3 games. Where are we gonna improve? So it's gonna be difficult, and for South African team, maybe there's a scouting department like Pirates and Sundowns, what they do, restructure their development, and then the PSL standard will definitely compete with those people. Because in terms of playing football, not much. Yeah, but I can mention only certain teams. Because Egypt, Turned in Morocco, the standard of football they've improved. You like it or not, honestly, they've improved, and that's why Morocco if you have a semi-final now of CON World Cup, I think 3 years ago they will reach a semi-final World Cup, and they're more exciting to watch. Top players, individual, but Europe beat, and also Egypt, Mohamed Salah, top class players. They've got Zizo, lineup here. The standard is so high. So other countries, it tells with the standards are with Champions League kitchen by Tata Saras and EPSL there's a lot. There's room for improvement that can complement many Pirates and Sundowns and Bashali Zandla for the standard of Bas City, the South African other teams they have to follow.
Okay, and the same Sundowns that you're talking about also competed in the Nedbank Cup. They knocked out Igomora FC to be able to progress to the next stage. They went into the CAF Champions League with a better mindset. It was 2-1. People are saying Sundowns could have done better, and they could have, the score should have been something else. But Oksalayo, they won, and then they went into the CAF Champions League with a better mindset, but unfortunately they did not get the desired results. So they are sitting on number 3, Michael, on their group, and they are going to face, once again, we can't say he's an enemy, but he's a former coach of the team who's been doing phenomenally well for Isaitla Kengale MC Alger, and this time around they are going to be playing away. What is your take on that?
When I'm thinking ngayisho yena Sundowns man, I think kule Champions League nayiqale nzima. Izenzele nabo nzima kule Champions League, understand? Because if ungacheck from position level until manje
sekushintshile ugcina, it's a do or die.
Yeah, understand. So manje bakuye difficult game against Orlando. We all know Orlando, and we are as Sundowns would we coach kanjani. So I think Urulana Sundowns, which is not an easy team, even if Banga struggle kanjani. They know what they possess with Champions League, because we've seen Sundowns na last year as a qualifier. Ube ngathi izophuma yangena until aziyafika ku final. So nabakusabantu kumele ubanda I think it's going to be game tough then.
But it's going to be an interesting
game.
Yeah,
so game tough la pa Loftus, because Urulana if he gets a draw also qualify. So it's a must win for
Sundowns. Yeah.
Game manjala buya be difficult for when amangabe any position would melu win and can understand. So you must always be cautious because na Sundowns planning yangeke sazi ukuthi bazothi zisuka bafuna ukwatheka or bafuna ukuyenzana. And ngapha badlala nenye tactician umuntu ohlakaniphile. So sizobona ukuthi le battle ubani uzoza nokuhlakanipha uzoza ne planning right ukuthi akhona ukuthi adlulele ku next stage.
It's a do or die, Junior, and this is where we are going to see something could happen. The coach can either be fired, because that's what a lot of people are saying, especially after we did not see good scenes with their last encounter where the technical director, Watelo Amanzi, and it was just not great scenes that we saw there. And this time around, if he loses, could he be on his way out, or will they give him an opportunity ukuthi abheke what the Betway Premiership can bring?
It's a sad story for South African football. Now Sundowns need to calculate.
Keep a calculator, man.
Sundowns is a very sad story.
Yeah.
So it's a sad story now. Sundowns.
But it's life and reality.
Yeah. Even the South African football. Kunendaba science. Nabo mele batshele. Coaching department, technical team, Flaming, and the coach as well. Lord has happened at Sundowns. Let go players that are not supposed to let go. Yeah, well, and then Bisabo Masego, and then Sanabo Sadi. More or less a similar type of play. Yes, I know Sadi has achieved. Wanna see him at the Pirates, but more or less the say technically very good, very quick players. Can score goals as well. I'm a player for now. I'm Bisu Lodge, the one player that went to Lidad, become a star player, one of the best. And then you go, unfortunately, I told you something to East Sundowns, you bring a Tiba there, and the one Bisabo Nabo Lodge, it doesn't make sense. That's why I need to, Ibaba Zenzel Zimo right to my kill. A service store because sometimes the more they were terminating, they benefit South African football. And each and every season, besides position one, was calculated, even number one, never telling into law.
Yeah.
So going to the game is two-way. Chiefs, they going away. Each Chiefs their way, and the Shell
Yeah.
they are going away against the team that is number 3. Heavyweight team that's not along to Zesco. Zesco that has never won any game. In football, their game, which be on a day. Because the Chiefs they're playing is going to be against the rivalry, the crowd. Is Zamali one of the best teams. See, when it is an Zamali player, or Rivintina is Zamali goal. Complain. Going to the game, they you need the made a score precisely. Late cheesy game you need. River gave Kaizer Chiefs a penalty.
Okay.
You understand? And I can't say it's not a penalty. Because it's under here. But yes, it was a penalty or not. Shaysang. And then that team, Almaz, Ipolo Shaysari, if not Guinika. It's this boy Umsima. Really did never float. That's why you really the way they go. But to me, I think they want to launch a complaint if they ever launch. I think really was a different. The call number 2 Kaizer Chiefs, a question mark like the ball Uguni head. Uncle Chikun Buisalapa, Fabian McCarthy is then Piben Sima. Even questionable na Leopola. I will give Kaizer Chiefs credit for fighting in that game. Because to tell the truth, Kulia came about along to tell. The chances. So, it's going to be a rivalry. You are good away.
Yeah.
And it's a very strong side. You can't tell you about Almaz, but Nandi is Almaz. But it's a malet. So going there, they want to win in all cost. They are going to start their game immediately. So it's Sundowns going back. Players at Sundowns, but as the cup, they've been playing this cup each and every. I'm talking about Renas. I'm talking about Shalidi the Peter as well. And which was a problem, honestly. Players they want to do for himself. And sometimes it's unfortunate story with their fans. I don't think they're supporting their team like Paris do. If Paris do well or cheese.
Yeah.
And Leon is sometimes supporters in the by the ways. You understand? I'm not too sure in the marketing department or because they've been consistent competing in this tournament. Now they need their fans as well, more than anything, to come and fill up the ground. So hopefully, Mhlambo Petros Motsipo's entry free, because they need this game. They play against Mastermind, Urdan, that's on position 2. But Urdan not been playing very well. Agana the type of players they pull from Gulagana, who are searching money grinding results now. Yes, it's good in terms of tactics and born. but the players, the football, brand of football that you want to play, I don't think is able to play. And I mean, well done for him. Which he has told la corner. Aksigi is figure team in Bangabnigi, those players that you want and win results. Well done to him. A very difficult game, Kank. A very, very difficult game. But then as Bofuna predict and you want me to predict later.
You can predict now.
I sometimes win like in the playing home is tuning. Honestly, tuning. I'm going to Hasha. Bunany rockets in the Malay Bamboo Gwena. And Shalili the corner also economy.
Okay.
Yeah. Tuning no I don't think Uzovia forever. You need to go up that movement. Sometimes you start the game by attacking. Bazo attack. There's no way. If they can sit back, playing for a throw, which is sometimes everywhere they play to win. They will exercise sometimes then you see. I feel like up front they are too slow. They lack creativity as well. So, but they've got individual players who can win. But I quality of play. It's just that you're ensure the formation, let players that may have and yeah, they honestly sometimes tuning. I may go run sometimes. It's about sure that people in the pants is going to happen as they truly.
Okay, Michael, your prediction?
I'm not going to draw. I love chess.
When are you?
Draw.
Score.
Izoba nzima le ngibona ngathi kuzoba not le.
Kuzoba not.
Yeah.
So basically you're saying Sundowns is not going to qualify to the next round. Because if kuba draw, that's what it means for Sundowns.
And mangibheka iSundowns le idlala ngakhona check iSundowns le Lumbashi le njengoba idlala ne Lupopo, you could see ukuthi like it's no longer the Sundowns esimane sikhuluma ngayo enhlanhla. If you can check sikhuluma nganhlanhla masikhuluma ngeSundowns sikhuluma ngeteam who first half benga create 10 clear cut chances in first half. But manje you can see ukuthi ba struggle in terms of ukuthi bakora magoli masazi Sundowns bewina abo 4. Yebo but manje mongathi uyabacheka in terms of creativity yabo man hayi kufatalela I think unokulimana kwakamshishi kwele kwabamisele emuva like emuva kakhulu nanhlanhla because umshishi uba link between ama midfielders nama strikers because umshishi is one player South Africa esinaye ukwazi ukudlala leya position abathi position 10 because umshishi can score, he can create like we everything uba engine kuleya lento zaliyo I understand. But mina ngendlela abadlala ngayo hayi abangiconvince at all enhlanhla angibaboni bamulo Rulana.
Yo. So okay, draw yakho uthi 0-0.
Ngibona ngathi izoba 0-0.
Wena uthi 2-0. And then the Kaizer Chiefs against Zamalek, what is your prediction?
Baya away,
yes. Baya away.
Bazodraw na.
Score
1-1 izoba fanele.
Tabo. Yeah, not the easy game.
Yeah, definitely not.
Zamalek now can't afford to open up at the back. But Zamalek is strong. Trying to pound with players. And then, I'm not too sure psychological players that should be ready to face. Kuna player who they can. If Papa and Jaguna came up to a criminal sheet, that's Kulman. If they can intensity, I was telling Poch. And one of the names and honest. In a more than 2 goals. If I see 2 goals, 3 in a more than 2. Zamalek, they're going to win that game convincing.
Okay.
And also Almaz, they go to beat. Like I said with this Kitigi last week, Chiefs are Mababala next week when they count Mabazobala Mako like teams that will qualify. Look qualify Almaz. Izesco will never beat Almaz and Zamalek. I can tell you, Izesco going there. Zambia. 2 teams. Izesco was beaten by Almaz retreat at home, Zambia. So there's Almaz Rezinzima, there's an Kaksipe team here. Niboni, the technical very good. Also, they've got experienced players. So honestly, if the Chiefs was playing her, being about, it's gonna be difficult. So Mina, it's more than 2 goals as a goal, but if I see 2 contact, those guys they will never sit back.
Yeah.
And he has a coach Chiefs will go to 5 for playing defenders. No, in the eyes of ones in but made up by Anido. Yes, it's football, but timing and people the pounds in is not gonna happen.
Okay.
It's gonna be 2 or more than 2 goals.
Okay, so your final score is
ingaba i 3-1.
3-1.
Yeah.
Yo. Oh wow.
3-1 or 2.
Okay, 3-1 or 2-0. And then when uthi nayo i-draw.
Yabona manje lawo magame ogcina manje uyamnqamlezweni kumele umuntu nomuntu ezavikile umuntu uzozavikela indawo yakhe abone ukuthi akashayeki simple noma kukuphi yabo but yabona amagame manje even endlandla mana avamise ukuba nzima kakhulu webhayi uthola ukuthi there must a team you must win lenye ilindi draw yabo and unokuthi ulindi draw phela unokubona ukuthi uyavika i-draw bavele bakore icala.
Yeah, no, I guess that is it because sobuya futhi and then sesazi ukuthi ubani owinile ubani osele ubani odlulile and that has been the episode that was brought to you by World Sports Betting #WSB #BetWithTheBest. This is the Junior Kanye TV from myself Nhlanhla Sitshele and the gents from Davidson, the dynamic duo uJunior as well as Uzizo, or should I say Uaka no Zizo. That has been it. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on the content. Danko.